Developing an argument. After reading Toys of Terror and Popular Magnets Banned Forever, answer the questions below to help you develop an argument. Number 1. In your essay, you will discuss what the Consumer Product Safety Commission, CPSC, does and whether it made a good or bad decision to ban buckyballs. Start by writing a sentence explaining the role of the CPSC in your own words. So in the box here, you'll write a sentence explaining the role of the CPSC in your own words. Number 2, find a line in Toys of Terror that supports your explanation and write it below. So you'll be finding a piece of text evidence from Toys of Terror. Number 3, find a line in Popular Magnets Banned Forever that gives an example of what the CPSC does and write it below. Again, you need to find a piece of text evidence taken word for word from the source. Number 4, should the CPSC have banned buckyballs? Fill in the chart with reasons from the text. Was the CPSC right to ban buckyballs? In the left column, 3 reasons for yes. On the right column, 3 reasons for no.